this message is for Ankit Inspires India, Mr. Ankit Awasthi ji. Ankit Awasthi ji, this message is related to the nasal voice. So you have a nasal voice when you're speaking. Like it's like this. You speak. You speak. Like this. You have a nasal voice. So I have a potential solution for this nasal voice. It may not work. It may work. If it works, it's gonna be a lifetime thing for you. Then it's you can use it. Put the treadmill at 12% gradient and run at 6 miles an hour. Okay, run at 6 miles an hour, and for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, whatever you can do. If you can do 2 minutes, awesome. If you can do more, then do that, but minimum 1 minute. And you may see the progress. If you see the progress, then this is a natural solution. Just adopt it and do it every single day, and this nasal voice will stop coming. Basic funda is your lungs open up, in a very special way, and this whole thing opens up, and then basically this noise starts coming, stops coming. So basically you can try this. All right, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.